Good morning, it's Thursday, December 7th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Overnight, the precious metals are higher after yesterday's mixed session. You have February gold up $2 at $20.50, March silver up 1 cent, $24.24, March copper up 3 at $3.76, and January platinum up 4 at $8.98. One thing to note is that the gold-silver ratio is back at about 84.5. Last week it got as low as 80, so the overshoot on silver to the upside has also corrected more than expected to the downside. So the markets are quiet this morning after a 3-day slide in silver, copper, and platinum, and oil is pushed down to levels not seen since last June. So overnight, the leaders in Japan said that they may be close to ending negative interest rates. We've got a big move in the yen, up about 1.5%. Typically, we would see a spillover effect on gold and silver, so we're a bit disappointed on that. Other news here, we've seen 2 lower than expected jobs reports this week, and job openings are at the lowest level since March 2021. Expectations for an interest rate cut in March are up at 56%. A couple things that we're watching here today. We do have the final October reading for wholesale inventories. We have weekly jobless claims and also consumer credit data. Looking at the charts here, silver, one thing to note, is pushed back down to the 200-day moving average, sitting right around 24.20. Your trend reversal point is about 23.74. That would take it back to a neutral trend. And then another critical level of support below that is the 50-day moving average at 23.47. We are seeing the DMI plus and minus start to converge. That's not necessarily a great sign here for the bulls. Stochastics are pushing down into oversold territory. They're just approaching that level right now. Now, if you look at the gold market, it looks a bit more constructive at the moment. We've hovered back above the trend reversal point, which is 2018. Your critical level supports the 200-day moving average at 2005. And then your 50-day moving average is 1982. So the gold market looks much firmer than the silver market as far as DMI plus and minus being far apart from each other. Stochastics have corrected, but they are starting to level out. If you look at the outside markets here, it was a bloodbath in the crude oil market yesterday. You've got front month crude oil sitting at 69.69 right now, up 31 cents. And then you start looking at other markets here, like the natural gas down 6 cents, sitting at 250. So other markets here to look at, the dollar index down 21, and 10-year treasury yields up 3 basis points. If you got any questions on futures or option trading, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading involves risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.